In today's experiment, the creators at Lavina are creating a giant match ball of 70,000 matches and 6,000 sparklers. They are going to place it on a cart with wheels and see what it does. The experiment is going to be done under winter conditions, testing if the jet ball can disperse the cart. But first, they have to prepare the ball with the matches and sparklers. We're so excited to see how this is going to turn out. This video was done by professionals, so please do not try it at home. Here we go. The moment of truth is finally here. Another successful experiment. Thank you, Lavina.